Hi guys, today we're going to take this Cardz Hello Fall paper pad. I've had it for over a year now, and we're going to see how many cards we can make out of this. I'm so glad you stopped by today, guys. I love it when we get to make cards together. And as I told you, I have had this for a while, and you've seen some of the cards I've made with it lately. But I'm ready to be done with this paper. It's gorgeous, but I want to move on to some Christmas and Halloween. So we're going to see how many cards I can make out of this today. Now, I've got a lot of scraps left. I've got the whole sticker sheet. I haven't used any of these. And you can see there's some beautiful leaves, pine cones, banners. Look at this beautiful pumpkin. It says Hello Fall with the leaves. There's some little sayings, sentiments, an owl, a squirrel, acorns. Look at this cute raccoon. A wheelbarrow with a pumpkin in it. There's, I bet you, some pumpkin spice coffee in that mug. We've got a basket of apples, a cute little fox. Here's a border down here. So we're going to be using some of these stickers on the cards. Then I've got lots of cut-aparts. Some of them I've already cut apart, and they've got sentiments on them already. And they can be used for landscape or portrait style cards. Here's a few more I haven't cut apart yet. Then I've got some bigger ones, and I'm thinking I might be able to cut these down to go on an A2 size, because I don't often make cards bigger than that. But I love this little fox. He's so cute. And then here's all the scraps and the papers. Now you can see there's some more cut aparts on here, but these are for big 5x7 cards, and I don't do those, so I'll be using the back side. But I got lots and lots of scraps, so I'm going to pull out some of my sketches and use up some of these strips, and there's just still lots of paper in this set, or cardstock, and it's all double-sided, so I should be able to get lots of cards out of this set. They're all just really pretty. Okay, guys. Oh, and there is this one. I think because it's got red, it's just so pretty. I'm going to save this for some Christmas cards. I think that'd be gorgeous on some Christmas cards. So we're going to see what we can make out of this Hello Fall stickers, cut-aparts, and paper pack. Okay, guys, for our first cards, I went ahead and trimmed out all the cut-aparts that I had left in the Hello Fall kit, and I've got 8. They're all portraits mode, except for this one, which is landscape. And I decided to use this box of A2 craft cards and envelopes that I have had for ages. I thought I might as well use these up, too. I got these at Walmart. And I was flipping through my book of sketches, and I've decided on sketch number 8. I've gone ahead and cut strips to go on the front of my card, and I'm not going to use this sketch exactly as it is. I'm not going to have a background mat of 4 by 5 1/4. I'm going to go directly on my card base. So for that reason, I've cut this strip at 1.5 inches by 5 1/2. And then this little border piece I cut at 1/2 inch by 5 1/2. So let me show you. I'm going to put it directly on the card. Just like this. That'll save time. And I think it makes a really cute card. Now, these are larger than the rectangle on the card sketch. So I may trim some of them down. And I may leave them like they are. And then for this last one with the truck, which goes this way, I think I'm going to save this and do a different sketch with this one. But I've gone ahead, got everything ready, and I'm going to grab my art glitter glue, and I'm going to start putting the card bases together. Here are all my card bases ready for the cut-aparts, but I went on the inside, and because these cards are pretty lightweight cardstock, I put a piece of ivory cardstock on the inside just to give it a little bit more strength, and I cut this at 4 by 5¼ inches, and also I think my stamping and anything I write in here will look better on the ivory cardstock, but it does give them a little bit more strength. And now I've got all my cut-aparts ready. I've got them on foam tape, and what I'm going to do is just go through. Oh, I love that one. Okay, this is going on this one. I'm going to take the backing off the foam tape and get these on the front of the cards. Now, I do still have the one with the truck, and I'm going to put this on a different card sketch, so I'll leave that there. And then this one needs a sentiment on the front. So I'm going to grab a Cardz TV stamp set and get something stamped on this before it goes on the front. But I'm going to go ahead and get these put on my card bases. I love that one together. That is so pretty. We'll have this one done in just a minute. And then when I decide who I'm sending these to, I can go ahead and stamp my sentiment on the inside and write something extra. Oh gosh, I love that. Look guys, that's so pretty. There's card number 1 finished. Okay guys, I got the first 7 cards made from the cut-aparts in the Hello Fall paper pad from Cardabella. Now, as I said, I had already used a good bit of it, but I wanted to finish up this paper pack. We've still got the stickers to go, so this is going to be part 1, and in part 2 we'll start using up those stickers. But I love the way these turned out. Oh my goodness. Now this one did not have a sentiment on it, so I went to the Cardz TV Thankful for You stamp set, and I used Happy Thanksgiving. I just snipped it in half so I could put it on 2 lines, and didn't that turn out pretty? I love that one. And then here's this one, Hello Autumn. And these are nice and sturdy now since I put that extra piece on the inside, and now that I've got these on the front. Still Falling for You Every Day. That's a great one for Wayne or your significant other. Happy Fall. Feels Like Fall. I'm just so pleased with the way these turned out. Autumn Leaves and Pumpkins, Please. And this one I think is my favorite. Autumn, Pumpkins, Falling Leaves, Harvest Time. They just all turned out so pretty. I wish I'd been doing this before now. I didn't think about it, except I thought I want to make some Halloween cards and Christmas cards, and I was ready to be done with this paper pack. So in part number 2, we're going to start using up those stickers and get some more cards made. But here's the first 7 in part 1. Thanks so much for coming by today, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this, and I will see you again soon with another card. Bye now.